Hi, I'm Scott Rosenzweig, the President and CEO of Make-A-Wish Nevada. For 3 years, I've been talking to the UFC team about creating a room for our older kids when they come in to discover their wish. We wanted to create something so special for them that we've called it the UFC Ultimate Wish Planning Room. In this room, our kids will begin to discover wishes for their future. No more will they think about their medical journey. They're going to think about their future and the hope that only Make-A-Wish Nevada and UFC can provide to them. So on behalf of all of our Wish kids, thank you so much, UFC, and let's go grant some wishes. Did we do okay?
Oh my
How are you
God.
doing?
I'm speechless. It's just amazing. Breathtaking.
My first thought was, one, that's super cool, and two, wow, that's really big. that's big.
The room is awesome. I love, just envisioning, kids being able to come here and learn about their wishes coming true, and that we're able to be a part of that is so exciting and so, inspiring. And to see how it came together is fantastic. And we couldn't be more happy with the finished product and what's really gonna occur in this room. We're really excited about it.